Good afternoon everyone. Today I am here to demonstrate our multimedia presentation. It is about image file format. Let's move into the presentation. Here is the today presentation's overview. It is consist of main objective, introduction, file size and file compressions, type of image file compressions, type of file format. The main objective is this assignment is identify file format and file size, image file compressions and requirement of image file compressions and file format. Examples are BMP, JPEG, GIF, GLF, etc. Let's move into the introduction. Image file format are standard way of organizing and storing of image files. Image files are composed of either pixels or vectors data. The pixels that compose an image are ordered as a guide. Each pixel consists of number representing magnitude of brightness and colors. When we move into the image file size, this is expressed as number of bytes. This value depends on two factors. First one, number of pixels of the screen on the screen, bit depth. Large number of rows and columns increased in resolutions and its lead to larger the file size. Then we move into the image file compressions. Compression is the term used to describe way of cutting the size of the file. Why need image compressions? Image files typically are larger than text file. Web pages often contain images that are transmitted across content that can be slow. Image files can be quite large, and a larger file type mean more disk used and slower download. Therefore, is the helpful to have a way to represent image in a compact format. Type of image file compressions. First one is lossless compression. Second one, lossy compressions. The first one is lossless compressions. In here, algorithm reduce file size without losing image quality. Throughout they are not compressed into as a smaller file as lossy compressions file. When image quality is valued about file size, lossless algorithms are typically choice because it lets you recreate the original file exactly. All lossless compressions is based on the idea of breaking a file into a smaller form for transmissions or storage and then putting it back together on the other end so it can be used again. Next, lossy compressions. In here, those algorithms take advantages of the inherent limitations of the human eye and discard invisible information. Most lossy compressions algorithms allow for variable quality levels, and as those levels are increased, file size is reduced. This type of compressions is used a lot for reducing the file size of bitmap pictures, which trend of the fidelity. Examples: if there is an image where whole sky is blue, most of the individual pixels are a little bit different. Many examples in here. After we move into file format, BMP, bitmap file format, used only for bitmap graphic in Windows platform only. The main advantages if their wide acceptance, simplicity, and used in Windows 4 program. Use BMP extensions at the end. Use to Microsoft Paint program suitable for background image and wallpapers. JPEG Joint Photographic Expert Group, one of the most popular format of web graphic, supporting for 24 bits colors informations produced relative small file size used. All digital cameras have these options, most common in photography and continuous tone bitmap images. GLP graphic interchange format, one of the most popular file format for web graphic and for exchanging graphic file between computer, supporting for 8-bit of colors informations or less. Use support for animations and is still widely used to provide image animations effect, used for web graphic and exchanging graphic file between computers. PNG Portable Network Graphic, similar to GIF, lossless data compression technique. PNG supporting for true color, where GLF supporting only for 256 color used. The lossless PNG format is best suited for editing image. TIFF Tag Interchange File Format, tag-based format and used for bitmap image platform independence, compatible with wide run of software applications, support for lossless compressions, use widely accepted as a photographic file standard in the printing industry. EPS Encapsulate PostScript is a meta file format, can use for vector image or bitmap image, can be used as vector of platforms, use EPS extensions. PICT Pictures File Format, used for primary on Macintosh platform, most commonly used for bitmap image, lossless format. Therefore, files are very large. Use PCT extensions. Use in videos editing, animation, desktop, computer presentations, and multimedia authoring. These are the very brief introductions about our assignment. Thank you.